Let me guess, you launched a SaaS business, built a landing page, maybe ran a few ads, you got clicks, but no conversions, or worse, traffic that costs more than it earns. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You don't have a traffic problem, you have a storytelling problem. Big brands like Monday.com and Grammarly, they're not just advertising, they're running automated video funnels designed to convert. But what if you could get the same system without a production team, studio, or six-figure budget? We cracked that code and we did it using AI. No filming, no actors, over 1,000 leads, fully automated. Let me show you. Part 1, why traditional funnels fail in 2025. Let's break down what most SaaS founders are doing. Landing page, ad, hope, static copy, cold traffic, zero trust. No clear bridge between the problem and your solution. Meanwhile, top performing SaaS brands do this instead. Warm the lead with value first video. Build trust with visual explanation. Deliver a CTA only after clarity is achieved. The format looks like this. Pain-driven hook. Mini teach moment. Product as the shortcut. One clear action. We don't just want clicks, we want belief. Part 2. The secret funnel formula. These are the 10 SaaS brands who cracked the code. Grammarly. This sentence is too long. Teachers. Chrome install. Monday.com. Visual Team Workflows try free. ClickUp. Humor++ demo. UI walkthrough. Webflow. Visual drag and drop. Build this site now. Jasper. Write this with AI. Trial CTA. Each one teaches just enough to build trust. Then drops a CTA right when you want the shortcut. But here's what they won't say. Those funnels cost tens of thousands to produce. Until now. Part 3. How we rebuilt it using AI. We built authorityvideos.com to test a theory. Can we replicate these $100,000 video funnels using AI only? Here's how we did it. Step 1. Wrote a short, how to get leads with AI video script. Focused on SaaS founder pain, hooked with, you don't need to film anything. Step 2. Used an avatar, no studio, no talent, just prompts. Step 3. AI editing plus stock plus B-roll. Dynamic visuals auto-synced with voice, no editor needed. Step 4. Ran YouTube skippable ads, targeted founders plus creators. CTA to book your strategy session. Result, 1,000 plus qualified leads. $0 on production. Automated funnel that runs 24/7. Part 4. Who this works for. SaaS founders, artificial intelligence tool builders, coaches and course creators, solopreneurs, agencies, anyone who needs to explain what they do and convert curious viewers into clients. No studio, no editing, just a smart funnel and smarter AI tools. Part 5. Want us to build it for you? We build full AI-powered video funnels, avatar or faceless formats, YouTube ad scripts written for conversion, visuals plus editing done for you. One-click landing pages that match the CTA. Delivery 5 to 7 days, no meetings, no cameras, just leads. Book a free 30-minute strategy session. We'll show you your ideal video funnel, how to build it with zero production, and how to run it 24/7 like the big brands without spending like one. I'm Anukul from Authority Videos. If your funnel isn't converting, it's not your product, it's your story. Let's fix it using AI